So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to insert dropdowns here on Google Docs or how to add dropdowns. So simplest way to do it is to go to the top left here, select on the search icon, go to where it says insert dropdown, then you can go ahead and select your dropdown. So if you just wanted to do a new dropdown just like this, you can do the names. If this looks good to you, you can go ahead and press this and you can go ahead and do that. Now, another way you can do it as well is to go to insert here, go to where it says smart chips, then go to where it says drop down. It brings you to the exact same screen. So if you want to go ahead and add a different drop down, maybe a status drop down, you can go ahead and select it, do what you got to do, and basically just play around with it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add drop downs on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.